Good morning, children. Now, today we are going to do the notice writing. As you see in this picture, the ICSE English language from 2019 onwards, the specimen for email and notice is given, and there are two formats given. So, in this, you see the first format, and the question is your school is hosting an inter school debate competition. Write a notice for your school informing them of the event. So this is the question for the notice. Now according to the first format, write in the center of the page on top, you will write down the creative title. Now this creative title, it carries 1 mark. After the creative title, you will leave a line, and under that you will write down the name of the competition. So here it is inter-school debate competition. Now this name of the competition also carries 1 mark. Then leave a line, then you will write down the date. Now mind it, in this first format you do not write down the word DATE. Directly it will be written on 8th December 2017. So the date carries half a mark. Now this date has to be written 15 days in future. So 8th December means you are writing 15 days. You are putting up this notice 15 days before 8th of December. Then you will leave a line, then you will write down the timing, and you will not write down the word time, but you will begin from 9 a.m. to 12 noon. Now this also carries half a mark. So remember, in this case am is to be written in small letters, small a dot, small m dot, and then when you write 12, with that you have to write down noon. And the timing, you can put 9, you can put a dot, or you can put a colon and then 00. Then after the timing, you will again leave a line. Then you have to write down the venue. Remember, in the first format, the word venue is not written. Here you have to write down two venues. First is at Centenary Hall, comma, St. Hilda's School. So two venues have to be given. The first is the smaller venue, that is the hall is the smaller venue, followed by the bigger venue. So these two venues carry half a mark each. Remember, the smaller venue has to come before the bigger venue. If you do it in the opposite way, you will not get marks for this venue. Then you will leave a line, and then you will write down the body of the notice. In this, three things are important in the body. First of all, you have to write down the target audience. That means for whom this notice is intended. Then you have to write down the name of the person or the designation of the person to whom the names have to be given. And lastly, the deadline, that is by which date the names should be given. So here it is, all the pupils from classes 9 and 10. So this is the target audience, and see the numbers 9 and 10. They are Roman numbers. Now on top and below this Roman numbers, no line is made. Who wish to participate are to give their names to Mrs. T. Baker. So the name of the person to whom the names have to be given on or before 1st December 2017. So it is 7 days before the date of the competition. Competition is on 8th of December. So you're asking the names to be given at least 7 days before it. So you give ample of time. This is how you have to write down the notice in the first format, which is given by the council. I hope it is clear. Thank you. Welcome back, children. Now in this we have the second format, which is given by the ICSE Council for writing the notice. Now the question in this case is, your school is conducting an inter-class talent search. Write out a notice to be put up in your school informing students about the event and inviting them to participate. So this notice carries 5 marks. Now according to the second format, everything has to be written on the left hand side with the margin. So right on top we begin with the creative title, Everybody's Got Talent. Then after this creative title carries 1 mark. After this, you will leave a line. You will write down the name of the competition: Inter-Class Talent Search. Again, leave a line. Now in the second format, we are going to write down the words date, DATE colon Tuesday, comma 24th July, comma 2018. So it is not compulsory for you to write down the day. You can simply write down 24th July, comma 2018. That is most important. Then you will leave a line. Then in the next line, you write down the word TIME colon, and then you write down 9 small a dot small m dot. Don't put these as capital letters, and don't forget to put the dots. To 4 small p dot small m dot. This will be the format. Then you leave a line and write down the venue. The word VENUE should be there, colon. Then you write down the auditorium, that is the smaller venue. You can put a comma, or you can simply write of St. Agnes School. So the auditorium is the smaller venue, St. Agnes School is the bigger venue. It has to be written in this order. After the auditorium, you can also put a comma. Always remember to put the smaller venue first, followed by the bigger venue. Then you will leave a line. Then comes the body of the notice. In this, target audience, the person to whom the names have to be given, and the date by which the names have to be given. So interested students from classes 8, 9 and 10. So the students of 8, 9 and 10 are the target audience, may register with the vice principal. So they have to give their names to the vice principal on or before 14 July 2018. So the competition is going to be on 24th July. So you are asking the names 10 days before the competition. And remember, the date of the competition is 24th July, means this date has to be this date is given 15 days in future. So before 24, that is 24th of July, before 24, 15 days before, this notice has to be put up. I hope it is clear. Thank you.